Hey, how you doing, guys? This is Sam with 3 Plus Prestige Mindset. Sending you guys this information here in this network. We do specialize in giving services the way people needs. Okay, at the end of the day, people are the ones who are moving companies. So at the end of the day, we're looking for you guys to understand that if you're looking to improve your property or you're looking to sell your property, you can always reach us. Let's give you a free consultation. Let's make sure how much money you guys are going to be spending. Let's make sure how much money you're going to need, how much value you're going to have. If you spend certain amount of money, what's the value that you're going to be adding to your property, or vice versa, how much money you're going to net profit if you sell your property. Just give us a call. Let us know how we can help you out in this network. Again, 3 Plus Prestige Mindset will help you understand the whole process. We'll help you get the numbers together. We'll help you before you make any decision. We'll help you put it together. Make sure you looked at it, even with all the details that you guys need. Just give us a call, text us, let us know how we can help you out, and then from there we'll go ahead and put things together. All right, thank you guys. Bye now.